Hey everybody, today we're doing another unboxing. Just gonna keep it short and sweet. I went down to a local store here and picked up a Simoniz 1600 PSI pressure washer. Just a little cheap thing. I got it luckily on sale for like $130 Canadian. Nothing special, I don't expect a whole lot, but it doesn't need to do a whole lot, just keep my car clean. So, gonna unbox it just to see what's in it and give it a first try, and who knows? I'm sure it'll be enough. I don't have a big car, as you can see, so good enough. Here we go. Packaging. All use and care guide. And it comes with a foam pressure bottle. Cool. Check that out. Nice bit of hose. At least it's not 3 feet long. One. Yeah, it's plastic, but they're all plastic. It doesn't feel too bad though. Alright, let's look at this out. No, actually, keep it on there. That's it. Yeah, just a little guy. Perfect. On, off. It's about as simple as it gets. I love it. Huh. Winterizing instructions, that's always helpful. Don't want anything freezing up in there, but I'll probably keep this in the house just in case. Perfect. Alright, well, take a look at a couple of these. See what we got here. Yeah, plastic of course, but hey, it'll work wonderfully. Alright. I think the head on there. It's a three-way sprayer. Nice. Alright, and let's see this hose. I think it said 30 feet, no, right? 15 feet maybe. Alright. Well, that's not bad looking. Looks to be enough at least. Wow. There we go. Oh yeah, that's about 50. I'm gonna say that works. That's enough to get me closer to the car. Through the garage, of course. Wish I had water in the garage, but I don't. And I think for 130 bucks, with that thrown in as well, I think that's usually about 30 bucks. Oh, it's a holster. Nice. Hey, there we go. Check that out. I love it. I don't know where you put the hose. That's the one thing I like about the stand-up ones. That's what I was tempted to get, you know, the little trolley ones. Because they have, you know, the wind-up hose, the little reels on them. But that's alright. One of these. There's supposed to fit in here as well. Well, maybe. Yeah, there you go. There you go. At least it's something. I hope I don't dump it off the chair. But
Good for mobile detailing.
it holds what I need. Good enough. Next up, we try it out. All right. So, filled her up with foam. Let's see how this foam cannon works. Alright, well, for being 130 bucks, you know, I'm not gonna complain. It did everything I wanted it to do, really everything I expected it to do, which is kind of more to the point. You know, just enough pressure behind it that, you know, it gets in there and cleans where you need it to. Got into the wheels and everything, not too bad, so. But also not enough pressure that it's gonna start getting under your rock chips and peeling the hell out of your paint, which is also a good thing. And before anybody says anything, yes, I realize this is kind of the worst place to wash my car, but I have yet to clean all of this crap out of here. Well, there it is.